first. You don't ask where we are going. We know where we are going. Khona imillionaire onjani? Kune multi-millionaire onjani?
Bro.
Singaqasha uzowasha imoto mina. Must-treat guys. This is not your BMW. Bengizokutshela ukuthi ambobizi imanager utshele ukuthi yini. Yeah, you must know your job, man.
These niggas, they're crazy, man.
Yeah, BMW.
Where are we going? We out here BMW kept it parked, man, you know.
Yeah, asking where.
We are the ones who bought the car. When now you just work here, you don't even know.
You'll never own a BMW.
You don't even know what are the departments here. Yeah, you want to exercise power.
We are telling you we know where we are going. Call your manager. Tell him that I want to enter here.
People are crazy. This nigga said, what if Uzochoncha?
What if Uzochoncha? How much is someone supposed to pay for this car? For any BMW?
Yeah.
For anyone to drive an M2, that person must have 160,000 for a deposit. And that person must earn 116,000 a month, every month. Yeah, man. What's it like? Namhla kuze kuphele 10 hours.
No problem, brother.
Yabona why bafuna ukuthatha ama-foreigner bawakhiphe eSouth Africa? Yabo why bafuna ukhipha ama-foreigner eSouth Africa? It's because of what you do.
How do what?
The way you must hold yourself like perfect.
My brother, can I ask you? You know, asking you nicely, asking us where you are going. Yeah. How do you respect?
What's nice about knowing where I'm going?
Because I have to know, my brother.
I told you where I'm going.
I'm doing my job here.
Your job is to scan, not to ask people where they're going.
And ask, where are you going?
No.
So that tomorrow I can
You
know.
ask them if they do not know where they are going.
So that I can direct you.
Yeah, but we told you we know where we are going. You said, no, where you are going to steal.
I asked
you. Do you think we are type of people who steal?
My brother, asking nicely.
There's no nice about
where
that.
Where are you going? So that I can know.
There's no nice about that.
You're not working for VW, man. You're working for BMW.
You're working for your BMW.
Anyone who enters here is a millionaire, man.
You must know that.
Anyone who enters
here is a millionaire.
Okay.
He's a multi-millionaire.
Okay.
Yeah, you must know. Put it in your brain. Yeah. Let it sink in your brain.
Know how to talk to them, because those people can hire you tomorrow.
I don't have a problem with that. Who's a million, who's whatever. I don't have a problem.
It means you don't understand.
My brother, please respect my job too.
What is your job?
My job is to ask you where are you going.
No, it's not to that. We told you we told you we know where we are going.
Okay. And then ask you, my brother, which department? Simple.
Why?
Why? So that I can know.
What does that help you with?
A car tomorrow.
We told you we know. This is BMW.
Okay, thank you.
You think where we bought this in a spicer shop? Hey guys, how are you? My name is Mr. G. I am the man behind the wise. Guys, recently I had an incident at BMW where I was quarreling with a security officer there, and then that guy disrespected me. I also disrespected that guy back. So now the issue is that there are things that I've said which are so harmful to the society or anyone. So the problem is not that issue now. The problem is what I am and what is that guy. So it looks like I went there to disrespect the guy because he's a security officer. Guys, we meet a lot of people on the road. We fight people on the road. People are fighting us on the road. We don't have maybe AMA videos that could show that I was attacked first. So I don't want to go back to say this, the video was 5 minutes after. The video is more than enough for anyone who is analytical to understand that there is a quarrel here. The video states, I stated in the video, not before the video, during the video, that hey man, you must not disrespect. Why are you disrespecting us? Treat us well. You cannot mistreat us like that. Then the conversation continued up to a point where I was fed up as a man and talked back, fought back, didn't fight with hands, didn't fight with weapons. I didn't attack the guy to be, physical attack. It's just a verbal attack. So we ended it like that. Then we also posted it on social media, and then it didn't go well to your ears and eyes. So guys, I am a humble guy. I will never underestimate anyone, let alone undermine anyone. We never undermine anyone. Never ever. Everywhere I go, each and every person I meet in the company, business, everything, I say thank you after the service. All of them, they can testify that we have met him. He's not what people say he is. Yes, you are insulting me now. You feel big to insult me. You can insult me with many ways. So I'm not sure why are you insulting me. It's okay for you to insult me. To prove that I'm a humble guy, I've never insulted anyone back. All of those people who insulted me, I have never insulted them back. The purpose of the video is to say, guys, I'm sorry for where I have used vulgar words on that guy who has disrespected me. He has never used vulgar words on me, didn't use vulgar words on me. Yet he disrespected me. He wanted me to feel that he is the one in charge that time there where we were. So the situation got out of hand, but not that out of hand. There are people fighting each other, weapons, everything here. I didn't touch the guy. I never touched the guy. So guys, that is what I'm saying to you. Yeah, that's the purpose of the video. You can see we are taking videos and photos of me in my clumsy position. Then you post it as if I am also clumsy. It's okay. It's okay. You can do that to me. I didn't do anything to you. I didn't do anything to Tebza. We know the name after. Yet companies, they are going after him, posing money, then advertise themselves. You are not helping that guy. You are advertising yourself. You want your views because this video has went viral. I'm not a social media type of a person. Yet my business partner is. We do a lot of businesses together. So what I can say to you guys, it's called capitalism. You are capitalizing on the situation. You are capitalizing on the clumsy situation so that it can favor you and so that you can look good by insulting me. If you insult me, you are instigating other people to insult me because they don't understand what is going on. You might not also understand what is going on, but you are insulting me. You can insult me, it's okay. It's okay, this will pass. I thank you all.
How do you feel, Abu? How do you feel?
I'm so happy.
You are so happy.
I'm so happy. I got my baby.
Wow!
I got my baby.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.